guys, today we're playing Flood Escape 1, but I have 0 wins because I deleted this game for no reason. So yeah, I know. Oh my god, why is this girl a noob? Spectate. I had to spectate for a little, so that's why. She already went on this girl's a pro. Hee. Press the button to stop. I know water rising, so you have to do something. I don't have the gravity coil now because I changed my skin. What? There's only 2 players in this game. Who could win? Okay. Nothing there. Should be more people. Get in. Get in. I can't get in. Guys, I don't want to show you the front of my face on Roblox here. No, I'm not letting you see anyway. No. I start to face looks like that. So we're getting you play a lot. And subscribe. Some people don't. Let's pick up a person. I see myself. I'm playing easy. Oh, she died. Wow. Is there no one? Okay. Beam. Oh. I have to go all the way there. Well, I could do this. Oh my god, I hate when it glitches. Stop glitching. Why can we not press nothing? Wrong. Something's wrong. Oh, sorry guys. It just had a little glitch. I'll come back there. I can't get a block for this 25. I told my mom if I get a V-Bucks. That's 0 V-Bucks. Anyway, I don't know if you could buy like a gift or nothing. Oh, there's no gifts. Gifts. Okay, we happen to do this. So let's do this. Okay. Let's go. But this game is... I hope nobody is full of that. Okay. Nothing's full. Nope, I ain't getting in. Oh, how many people? I think we will. There's 6 people. And yeah, look at this. I just showed you my face. Wow. What? Did someone just left? 2 players. Two players are real or pro. The game has ended. They just died. They died. Wow. This guy is a little bit familiar from those movies. Oh. Okay, what is this one? Oh, my favorite. I can press any button, but I'm not pressing no buttons. Not a pro at that one. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god. Dude, are you gonna go? Okay, I'm really good at this easy one. A little, because if I jump a little in a tiny little line, I'll kill myself on this Roblox game. I never played my tablet before. I only played my Nintendo because my tablet was about to die and break. So that's why I didn't play it forever. Come on, guys, get in there. That I don't know what to call it. That case. I'll just say that for now. Well, are you? You're gonna be an Oreo. Thanks. I'm out. I know one's gonna die. Oh, nobody died. Oh my god, who died? Oh, sorry, you guys. I didn't feel good when I was sleeping. Oh, you pressed the button. Hey, neighbor. Oh man, I died. What? Bonus, room bonus. I don't know, no full people. That's it. How many are they full? Nope. Just 8. Wait, what? That it's full now. The game has just ended it now. It's gonna end. But she escaped it. Hey, wait, why am I spectating him while he's out? Oh, that's a magic trick. Everyone knows it's a magic trick. I don't want to spectate no one right now. I hate when I always do this. I'm gonna do this. Who's gonna press the button? You press the button. I'm not pressing no buttons. Oh! How did she survive? She is a good pro on glitching. Let that glitch from Wreck-It Ralph. Oh! Guys, I don't know about this. I'm not gonna survive. I think so, because I need 1 point to get. Okay. What is this? Oh, I know this line. This is I remember this one. And I remember myself. So this one. Ah! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! I said get out of the way! I want you to get up. Would you stop cutting? Oh, who's gonna press the button? Oh, you pressed the button. No, I never did that before, so I died. We're gonna survive. What is that? Oh, this one's easy. This one's easy. Lemon squeeze. I'm gonna just delete all my videos. That. I'm sorry. I'm just delete them. I'm gonna delete those videos. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Have this actual crew mate. Okay. Press that button and then there's only 3 people left. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. Intermission. Someone just is getting in there. Come in. I'm just going hard for now. Nope. That's too hard for me. Too much pros. Okay. Destroying. I'm gonna just get into 12. What? No. This one's hard. I can't jump a lot. It's because a lot of people are messing me up. Round beginning. Oh. Guys, it's all going easy. How many people died there? I gotta see how many people died there. Uh-oh. Oh, man, he died. The first one's hard than that. Wait, is the place, why is the place full? It looks like it's less people. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait. Oh, 8. I didn't sound like a boy coming. I didn't sound like a boy coming. The internet. Easy. Easy for myself anyway. I love easy. In case you're wondering, I'm still a potato. I'm not a potato, guys. Duh. Go! I said go. Wait, you go. Naked Captain Underpants. Hello. What happened to you? Get your actual butt. Oh my god, I felt sleepy. God. There's some magic tricks to go. Who's gonna press the button? Oh no, you're gonna die. He said. Wow, I can say, oh no, you're gonna die. I'm just gonna, don't get the ladder. Don't go on the ladder. Oh my god. This is almost hard for me. Oh, one noob just pressed it. Hi, noob. Goodbye, dude. She's dead. Okay, we're just the last people. There are completely no prisoners in here. We need to get some people. Okay, I think the water's rising. Yeah, I think it's rising. I will press the other one, and then what I press. Oh my god, why did you die? Okay, you're dead. I'm the last one to be. Easy. I love being the last one. It's like a dude code so easily. Just a little. Ah, the internet. What's internet? Watching Rick and Morty breaks the internet. But guys, yeah. So I'm trying to go to my other shoes. What is that actual thing? Oh, I think I'm gonna lose. I'm just going here. It makes me win. Okay. find the code to escape. Oh, okay, next one. Oh my god, this is water. Go, 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 go. Woohoo! Woo! I won! By myself. Woo, yeah. Okay, and now it's time to go to medium. Hey, dude, I don't want you. Okay. Medium has... I'm going. 5 people need to escape there. Wait, what? How many people? Is there lots of people that have gravity coils? Uh-oh. You're gonna die. Goodbye, guys. You're dead. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. How many people want to get in there? Okay, this is too many people. Now we have 6 people. We'll survive this one. Oh my god, you just let me down. I'm really not getting down. Sorry, I'm really not good at that. People are messing me up. Please don't mess me up. I really don't want you to mess me up. We'll press the button. One just died. Wow. Wow. Thanks for sacrificing your life. Where is this dude? Oh, goodbye. He's dead. Okay, let's go. Oh, I think this one's hard for me. Oh no. How is this hard for me? I think this is jump. Oh, this isn't hard for me. Wow. Let's just press the button. Who's pressing the button? Who pressed the button? Press the button. Who's gonna press the button? Okay, you press the button. I'm not gonna die here by my own. Come on. You could. Go. Goodbye, you're dead. I'm not helping you, please. I don't want to help you. There's any there's a button. Oh, sorry, you're dead. You're dead. Oh no, I'm gonna be dead. You're stuck there. Bye. What the? How did you didn't got sacrificed? Oh, I'm sacrificing myself. It's really hard to do the code a little bit. This thing is a little bit hard. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna begin the lures. We just have 2 people. You press the button. I'm not pressing no button. Press the button. Okay, she pressed the button. Let's go. 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 Come on. We're pressing the button. Press the button. Okay, you keep. Guys, I forgot 1. I'm gonna press it for you. I'll sacrifice myself. Guys, it's my defense to sacrifice myself. Oh no! Okay, I knew. Okay. Well, it's really hard. I don't care. I don't love medium, so I'm doing hard. Guys, I want to do hard. I'm going in hard. Guys, it's getting hard. Come on. Just 4 players. Come on. I know you can make it. What? You can jump. Oh, sorry. Sorry, dude, you're dead. Oh my god. I think hard is hard. Thanks for that. I don't like hard. I'm going for green. Again. There's only 2 players and we have 2 players. Wow. There's only survivors that could do that? This is a little bit glitchy here. Oh my god, do the code right now. Oh my gosh, they don't know how to do codes. Mickey dog? What the? I don't know what to say. I'm just doing one more because I'm about to waste my chow. Changing. Just gotta one more. I'm really not waiting for my challenges to go out. Bye. Bye. Have a good time. What is this? Oh, it's that glass one. I'm gonna be the hero to do this. Oh, no. Here's the duty. I'm doing it. Okay. I really failed that. Well, let's just go. Okay, this dog is a little... Hey, would you stop letting me go in your heads, guys? That's what I'm saying, because people are killing me. Oh my god, I hate them so bad. He always mess me up for 4 players. Wow. Wow, we just need to escape. What I need to escape? FNAF song. Well, oh, FNAF songs. I'm making my real YouTube, so just get out of the way, please. I have your FNAF song. Anyway, I have lots of plushies, but not that much because the other ones are not lost. What? How many people? What? Wait, what? Tell me if the game ends, please. I'm just going. That's problem 1. Yeah. There's 2 people here. 2 people here. I'm just spectating. How many people could get the gravity players? I don't know codes. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh no, you died. I'm gonna win this time. I know I'm in. Okay, let's see. Just one more. Just one more. One more, please. Just need one more. Do this. Do this. Annoying. See you guys later. The power tower. Power tower. The power tower. I know this is power, so powers are gonna be. Oh, I really don't want to spectate mood. There's only 7 people. I thought there were gonna be 8 people. If there's 7 people, that means I'm gonna be the last one. I know. Come 5. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Would you stop messing me up, guys? I'm really getting tired of you. Look, I really want these woods. That's flutter ducks. Flutter ducks, I mean. Go, quiet! Quick. We know how to do code, so you go. So you go, okay? Noises. Okay. I really don't love jumping like this. How do we get the... Really? Okay, come on. Get under there. Get under there. I'll get that. I'll get the thing. Oh my god, this is bad. I can do this microcode by myself. This guy knows how to do. Oh my god, now I know. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go. I'm really getting tired of you. That railing is your leaf. Stop, don't leave. Don't make your dreams come true. I will make my dreams come true anyway. Have a lot. Okay, how many people just died? We're really not supposed to do that. Oh, that's easy. Don't. Oh, there. Okay, we escaped. Okay, I won. How many people are full? Better not be full. Oh, it is full. Okay, my last chance doing this. Anyone cannot. Come on, let's go for hard. Medium was a little bit hard. Dizzy. I really want to escape room. Let's escape. Escape rooms. Room one. Don't make noise sounds. Wait, I saw this Dennis channel. Oh, someone has gone in there. Nice. Okay, wait, what? Nuclear war. Warning nuclear. Nuclear. Where a nuke coming from? I think that's gonna happen. I don't know if nuke's coming from Fortnite. Because, like, I watched some videos about warning nuclear. There's a nuclear coming. Oh, I died! Oh my god, I'm really dead at this game. Well, guys, I hope you joined. It was too a little bit hard for those two, medium and hard. Well, I'll see you guys later.